Hey guys, Darth Vader Halloween here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Deadlift Zombie again. Now if you're wondering why I'm going to be unboxing the Deadlift Zombie again, well this is because I just got this back in the mail today from Legendary Innovations. I haven't told you guys about this before, but I actually sent this guy a little while ago to Legendary Innovations to replace the LED bulbs, because if you watch the review, the LED bulbs ended up they just quit working. So I had no idea how to fix it. So I just sent it to Legendary Innovations. I'll actually put the link to their website below. If you have a broken prop, then send it to Legendary Innovations because they will fix it for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, but before I do that, I want you to guess how much it cost. Just go ahead, just guess. $15. It costed $15 to replace the LED bulbs. No, not just replace the LED bulbs. Let me go ahead and quote the email. It says, it will be $15 to fully restore your Deadlift Zombie. Not only did they replace the LED bulbs, but they also made it just move faster, and they just completely restored it. So yeah, I just can't believe it was actually that cheap to fully restore it, meaning that they not only replaced the LED bulbs, but they also fixed anything else that may be wrong with it. So yeah, really cheap. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing again. Now, as you can see, I actually brought a razor with me this time. Alright. I want to keep the box facing this way because the shipping label is on the back and it has my name and address on there. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that facing backward. That's wrong. Okay. And here he is. Okay, so originally the box was supposed to have been opened up this way, but I guess, yeah, alright. Okay, what I mean is, the box was originally supposed to be opened up this way, but I just made an opening here just because, I don't know, I just didn't want it to be facing down on its side. I don't know, I just didn't really feel comfortable with that, but anyways. Okay. Alright. Here he is again, back from the dead. And here's his head. Now you can get a full view of it this time, because in my original unboxing video, I ended up just showing it off camera like this, barely in frame, when I was showing it. But anyways, here it is. Alright. Get all that bubble wrap out of the way and stuff. And now I'm going to go ahead and just untangle everything, unhook the cords, and just overall get everything straightened out. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and put on the head. head is in. And now, let's go ahead and plug him in. Well, first I should probably plug the adapter into him. That would be a smart idea. Just going to go ahead and adjust the sleeves a little bit. And here he is. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set him off just one more time. That was awesome. Alright, so that's him, and thank you. I want to give a big thank you to Legendary Innovations for getting this fixed for me. Thank you so much for getting it done. And you can actually tell that he's actually rising up, that the Deadlift Zombie is rising faster, actually, than what he originally was. And, but, yeah, I just can't say thank you enough. Thank you, Legendary Innovations, for fixing this for me. I'll put the link to their website down in the description below, so that if you guys have a broken prop yourself, then you can go ahead and check them out. I'm not a part of Legendary Innovations, but I just want to promote their business. So yeah, here's the Deadlift Zombie unboxed once again, and I will see you all in the next video. See you later.